My name is Lewis Nyman, and I'm the founder of a company called Wild Drives, and it's one of the first all-electric campervan rental companies in the UK. The biggest problem with vans at the moment are the mileage, the range that they have. Lots of vans commonly have had around 80 miles because they're meant for local deliveries, short distances, that kind of thing. But I knew that wouldn't be enough for people if they wanted to go long distance. So I found that one of the newest, best vans on the market, best electric van. And this one, this Citroën E-Dispatch has a range of 205 miles, which is great. But more importantly than that, it has really fast charging. So it can charge the battery from 0 to 80% in 40 minutes, which is perfect because it means people can stop off on the side of a motorway. And they can leave the van charging, they can go and get something to eat, they can come back out, make some tea, and by the time they've done all that, they'll be ready to go again. Eco-travel to me means a lot of things. The most important thing about this van, I suppose, is that it's electric, it's not burning diesel, so when you're going around enjoying the countryside, you know you're not damaging it at the same time. But I guess there's loads of facets to that as well. I think that when we rent it out, we're really going to try and encourage people not to litter, not to leave stuff lying around when they're going to enjoy the countryside. And really another part, in keeping with the theme of it being really eco-conscious, is all the utensils and the soft furnishings that I've tried to find for the van. I've tried to avoid using plastic, I've tried to look for second-hand things. So the impact on that has been less. So people can enjoy it. I know they're trying to be as eco-conscious as possible, but also it's a great way to kind of introduce and encourage people to try new things. We're also adding locally roasted coffee in here that's roasted in Brighton. We've got a local tea company as well. So everything is coming from the local area, which is obviously reducing air miles to a degree, but also encouraging people to use smaller independent local companies as well. So today we're at Wowo campsite. I brought some friends here today. We're here to kind of enjoy the Sussex countryside, and I'm going to show around the van and show them how great it is. One of the most important things about a van, especially a compact van like this one, is storage space. So we've got loads of units here where you can store your stuff. This front one here, we've got a slide out unit, so you can put all your food and your tea and coffee and stuff like that in there. This unit here holds all your cutlery. One of my favourite things about this design is all the units don't have handles, so you don't catch yourself in anything as you're moving around. They don't stick out, so you just press to open them like this. This unit in here has, you can store your cups and your glasses. And then this unit back here, there's loads of space going all the way to the back that allows you to put your saucepans and cooking stuff in there. It's also got a really nice fridge. It's a good size. Importantly, it can fit a bottle of wine in the door. And one of my favourite things about this van is the induction hobs. It was quite a lot of effort to figure out how to fit this into the van, mostly because it draws so much electricity. We had to fit a massive solar panel on the roof, a massive battery underneath, and a big inverter just to power the induction hobs. But it's great, I really love it. It cooks food really quickly, heats up really fast, and there's no open flame, so it's really nice and safe. One other feature we have is a portable toilet that's built into the seat here, so you can lift it up and you can use it if you need to. It's always an option that's there. And what's also great about this is it doubles up as a seat, so you can get the table out here and put it across, and then you've got two people who can sit on this side, and you've got another person who can sit on the other side. You can sit and enjoy some tea or a meal or something like that. And we've also got a sink here. You can lift up the lid, and there's a 20-litre tank that you can fill up on the other side, and that's really great and useful to have. My favourite parts of the van are the pop-up roof and the fold-up table by the second sliding door. The pop-up roof, I've had pop-up roofs before on previous vans, but this one's special because it has a zip that you can run all the way around, and it allows you to lift the whole thing up, and then you can sit on the roof and you can peer out, which is amazing. I've never had a full heights van before. I've always had ones under 2 meters, so I've always been jealous of people who've got ladders on the back. They can climb up, they can sit on the roof, and they can look at the view. With this one, you kind of get the best of both worlds. You have the low heights, you can get under most of the height barriers, but then you can also sit on the roof and enjoy the view, which is great. This van has a rock and roll bed, which means you can just lift it up and it slides straight down, and you can sleep 2 people here, and you can sleep 2 people up top on the pop-up roof. Love Campers offered loads of different customization options, which are great, like while providing like a layout that we kind of base the design off of. So all the surfaces are made of bamboo. It looks great, also really eco-friendly as well. We spent a bit of time talking about the designs for the woodwork as well, the fact that it's nice and light and white without any handles as well. That looks really good. When I set out and I knew that I wanted to convert a electric van, and a brand new electric van at that, it was really important to me that I found people who are experienced converting electric vans. And I found Love Campers online. They were local to me, not far away in New Haven. And I saw that they had a whole blog post about not just that they had converted electric vans before, but a whole ethos around sustainability and how they're trying to make their vans as eco-friendly as possible. And the vans look great, and that's an important part as well.